another exciting episode. Sabia Agric. This morning I'll be talking about soil health. We are in the season of farming again, and a lot of people just want to do agriculture. You see people say, I have 1 hectare here, I have 2 hectares there. What do you want to do? I want to do plantain. So how do you know plantain will actually be good there? You've not actually done any analysis of your soil. Now let's understand this. The soil is like a bank, and then you know what you do with your account. You withdraw, and if you don't have activity in that account, what happens? At the end of the day, you can't get anything from your bank, even when you don't have money. Actually, when you treat your soil like a savings account, one day it will go bankrupt and you won't have nothing for the rainy day. So what do we advise you do? Invite us to come collect some soil samples, and then within 2 weeks you have your results with fertilizer recommendations, with crop analysis to tell you what best would grow there. And we also offer an additional farm layout. We'll also do a farm layout for you.
Now, we want to talk about how you lay out a farm and how you collect your soil samples for analysis. So the first step is farm layout. And we have a 100-meter tape, a standard tape, something that can give you a straight 1 hectare measurement at a go. And then we have here our soil auger. Okay, and then we have the trowel. We have a 15 cm trowel already calibrated here. Then we also have a bigger 20 cm trowel too. Then you have your peg for marking out. Then you have your rope. They call it Mason's rope. It's just a tiny rope. You can have bundles of it. And then you have your sample bag. We will use the sealed tip sample bag for collecting sample. Ziploc sample bag. Okay. Then once your materials are ready, the first step is to carve out the layout. So you measure 100 by 100 length and width wise. That will give you 1 hectare. And once that is done, you now measure. We normally do diagonal sample collection, or you can do random sample collection, but the recommended is at least from 10 samples per hectare to be able to cover the whole area. Okay, so I will do a demonstration on how you collect your soil sample. Now we've marked out this particular point. You can now use your peg mark it out. Then you can label this. If this is the first hectare you're working on, you can label it A1. Then the next step, you get your auger with very minimum disturbance to the topsoil. You can now, this auger here, this is 15 cm. From here to here is 15 cm. Then you can measure from here to here is about 30 cm. So if you are taking the first topsoil, which is 15 cm, it has to go in to this particular point. Then you put your auger in, and then you rotate and push it in. So I've gotten my 15 cm. I can decide to use my trowel to take my sample. Or you can also use the auger too. Okay, once that is done, you zip and then you use your tape to label. Or if you have a permanent marker, you can just label on the body. This is our first sample. This is A1. It's properly labeled so there will be no mistake.
This brief episode, Sabi Agric. Stay tuned with us until we'll come your way next time. I remain your host, Uke Praise. If you want Sabi, you go Sabi.